Eder Sanchez. I'm bartender at Los Colibris. Today we're gonna do La Malinche. So we're gonna do 3/4 ounces of Siempre Plata, 3/4 ounces lemon juice, 3/4 ounces of Palomino Sherry, Cristina, 3/4 ounces Grand Marnier. And we're gonna shake. We have Dillon's that's been infused with avocado leaves as well. And lemon zest in the glass. So I chose the name La Malinche because she was Hernan Cortez's woman. Hernan Cortez is the Spanish sailor that discovered the villa of Veracruz, Mexico back in the 1800s, and La Malinche was his woman. Very few people back then were able to speak both Spanish and Mayan or native Mexican, and so she used this to her advantage to basically control everything back then. So very powerful woman, and we have a mix of Spanish, represents Hernan Cortez, Spanish sherry, and of course Mexican tequila. Thank you very much.